Yep, yes. Yes, it is.
It's an orange.
Yes, it's new.
Look, the bumpy edge.